Question, tell me what you think about me. I buy my own diamonds and I buy my own rings. Only ring your celly when you're feeling free. Please get up and
Can you see on the phone?
feel about this. Try to control
Like
pay my own car, don't pay my own bills. Always 50-50 in relationships.
Oh yeah, I do. I be wanting to be over there with you. Like it's the best part. Like I love you.
Hey guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are doing nails on 420 and we very much 420'd it. But anyway, I'm removing all the acrylic and polish at the same time. Please be careful on the side walls. Pay attention to where you are filing. This can definitely damage your client's nails. Try not to focus on one spot too much. It will cause burning. Just keep the drill moving as you go along, okay?
Yeah, I be on Twitter now.
Twitter is freaking hilarious.
Twitter is full of shit. Everybody on Twitter is crazy and full of shit, dog. Everybody on here.
The ASMR is real.
This is so much fun to look at.
So try this motion if you have issues with burning your clients. Like, don't keep the drill right on the nail bed. Lift after every motion and repeat it so that you don't have any burning. Just go section by section and you'll get it off. It's no rush. Sony, right? Sony did that first. I'm using a 5-in-1 medium gold carbide bit. I got this one from the Studio Nail Supply. I'm in Miami, so you know the worlds are here. I also use it to refine the shape and the smoothness after I did the set, so I do use it as like a refiner. Coco is crazy and I love her. So this is after I first sew because she be banging her nails and stuff. We forgot to upload the prep and everything, so this is like after I prepped and everything. I do use the OPI pH bond. It's everything. My clients only come to me like once per month. It really does help along with the primer that I use, so be sure to use a good primer.
I don't know.
Thank you. Alright. Cover Pink by Young Nails Inc. Listen, I love this acrylic so much. Okay, pro tip, be sure to clean your brush before you actually start, okay? Make sure your brush isn't oversaturated as well, and if it is, just pick up your bead and on the other side just tap it so you get more control. You see the control, honey, no oversaturated brush. And this is going all over the place because Coco. Let the acrylic do its thing, okay? It's specially formulated to do that. Make sure when you are laying your acrylic, please don't oversaturate the brush, okay? Pro tip, buy more cover acrylics than colored acrylics. You're going to use them more, okay? If the bead is too wet, as I said before, pat it dry. On the other side, do not flood the side walls with acrylic. It hurts and it doesn't look great, and it's hard to remove when the acrylic is dried, okay? So make sure you're always removing it from the side wall. I usually use a 1-ball method, but use as many beads as you want to. I'm using since this is like a medium set, I'm using the 2-bead method. I need those side walls to be clean and flushed from the cuticle. I'm a stickler for that. Like when I'm finished with your nails, although there's no top coat on there, you should be able to walk out if you have an emergency. So be sure to always do that. Invest in a good brush. I use iGel Beauty brushes, Valentino Pure Kira Sky. Your local beauty supply or nail supply should have really great ones. Just make sure that they are 100% Kolinsky. 100%, no fibers, okay? Use the acetone lightly to clean the brush after you're finished, and then use a brush cleaner afterwards. Dip it into some liquid after that and form it to how it's shape and let it dry. Use quality products because I've had this brush for 3 years and it is still going strong. I'm about to just buy a new brush because I'm low-key bored. But also don't cheapen on your products, okay? Do the necessary research. It does take money, I understand, but purchase. See what kind of brands you like. See what works for you and your clients, you know. I've tried not every, but most of the brands that are on the market, and the ones that I use now, they do work for me. I use a lot of iGel Beauty products, a lot of Valentino, Mia's Secret. I love their clear, it doesn't yellow. Definitely Young Nails. Young Nails is it. Tammy, I use Tammy's products as well. And listen, when you're doing nails, you're the pro. If you see something, fix it right away. Right here, I needed an extra bead for leveling because there was a little ditch. Don't know where it came from. But yeah, no, we fixed it real quick. Do you see this color? Honestly, that color, yeah? That color, yeah, bad. So when I'm changing my nails next time, I'm definitely going to use this color, honey. And yes, I really love doing coffins. I don't know why. It's one of the most popular shapes right now. Well, it has been for the past couple of years. And I just really love doing it. I do use pre-shaped tips. Well, these I use just stilettos and I sized them. Make sure when you're sizing the nails too, they are not squeezing on the nail plate, please. Okay? Also, please know the finger. Please know the finger. Know where the matrix is, hypernicum, eponychium, what the nail plate is, where the nail bed is, separate and apart from those two. Please, like, learn your craft. Do your research. Continuing education. Very, 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 very important. Okay. So, I'm still laying and slaying this nail. So, did you realize, yes, I do not walk my brush into the acrylic anymore. When I had just learned how to do nails, I used to walk it through. And I realized sometimes that I pick up too much product and then I was wasting it. If you look, I'm really just wiping off the minimum excess of the acrylic.
Shit, I fucking touched it. Oh no.
What?
I touched it.
I feel like I should post this because sometimes you are like literally fingers.
What did I do?
Just be so.
I don't like people know who I am.
I didn't say your name yet.
I feel like somebody's gonna do it.
How?
Well, him talking.
What?
And my nails.
Kisses right now. I'm telling you, it's your baby though.
You about to punch me in my face?
No.
I'm gonna tell Dad.
No, I fist bump.
I can't fist bump you. I'm holding the camera and my other hand is getting stuff on it.
Well, you gotta chill, baby boy.
Okay, you wiggling me around and stuff. I think my arm is gonna break off.
Your arm is not gonna break out.
I'll hold it.
You're gonna be the recorder? Alright, when we gotta do a second take on this hand so you can be the recorder on this one. Okay? I wish it wasn't so shaky.
It's okay, we can hide.
Kinda.
Really classy.
You are Zooty Bang, according to his grandma.
So I always apply the bead where I want the apex. So this first bead is always right where the nail plate and the tip meets. and then I'm just gonna put another bead over it and cover it. You know, practice, practice, practice. It doesn't make perfect, but it makes you a pro. Okay, so practice, practice, practice. Get the right brushes. Try to get to know your product, the consistency, the viscosity, and all of that, so that you work quicker. Because I'm almost finished with this hand. And always place the cuticle bead as close as possible. Then push it towards the cuticle for a perfect flush. You don't even really have to e-file that much after you've done this. So right now I'm just refining the nail. I'm going around the sidewalls as per usual because I need them to not be musty, crusty, and zesty. Okay, remember to clean the sidewalls and keep the area. Okay, thank you. You won't have to overfine the sidewalls or the cuticle area after it's dry because it's hard to remove. So while you're laying the acrylic, just make sure you go from sidewall to sidewall. Oh my god, this color is so pretty. So we accidentally erased the filing video, so shout out to YouTube. What is this? Instagram. And I'm also using an 8080 emerald board, which is coarse, to refine the nail. The technique I use, I'm just debulking like the little divots and lumps. Although there isn't, it's really smooth, but I'm a stickler for shape. I want that shape sharp and crisp. Okay, also sorry for how this looks, but I'm applying base coat to the nails and I start to think of the design. I'm using Agile Beauty's base and top coat. I really love their base coat and their top coat. The top coat is really thick. You just need one drop to like pour up to an 2XL nail because it's thick. This whole time we forgot the ring light and I'm not sure.
And I'm sitting here and I'm facing it, so.
So I'm applying the foil. We decided to go with like foils, decals, for this design. And then put a little butterfly right there. I just love my clients' reactions. I always aim to please. Listen, keep refreshing, keep learning your skill until you become a pro. That's how you become a pro. Anybody asks me a question, I can answer it. I don't know why your finger leaned that way though, but watch out for the end result. I really loved how it came out. And here it is. She really loved it. She be posting me and whatever, tagging me or whatever. I love it. Thank you so much for watching. I'm coming out with more stuff, so don't worry. Like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much. Any comments, drop them below. I'll answer your questions. And I'm in Miami Gardens, so hit me up, baby.